Today, I'm going to teach you how to add product brands in WooCommerce. This is essential for organizing your products and helping customers filter by their favorite brands on your online store. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this will ensure you have access to all the necessary features for managing your store. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Locate and click on Product. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your WooCommerce products. From the expanded menu that appears, click on All Products. This section gives you a comprehensive view of every product currently listed in your store. Now that you're on the All Products page, you have two choices. You can either add a brand to an existing product or create a new product from scratch using the Add New Product button. For this tutorial, we'll work with an existing product since the process is identical whether you're editing an existing item or creating a new one. Go ahead and click on any existing product from your list to open it for editing. You'll now be directed to the Edit Product page, which is where all the magic happens. This is where you can modify descriptions, images, pricing, and of course assign brands. Now shift your attention to the right side panel of the screen. Scroll down through the various sections until you locate the brands area. This section is specifically designed for categorizing your products by brand, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. Once you've found the brand section, click on Add New Brand. This will expand the menu and reveal additional options. Here, you'll need to enter the brand name you wish to add to this product. Be specific and accurate with the brand name, as this will help maintain consistency across your store. If this brand happens to fall under a parent brand, such as a sub-brand or collection, click on the Parent Brand drop-down menu and select the appropriate parent brand from the list. However, if your brand stands alone and doesn't belong to a larger parent brand, you can simply leave this field as is. After you've entered the brand name and selected the parent brand, if applicable, you're almost done. Scroll back up to the top of the page and look for the Update button. Click on Update to save all your changes. This action will apply the brand to your product and make it visible on your storefront according to your WooCommerce settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a product brand in WooCommerce, making your store more organized and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.